Good morning, day 30 of 75 Hard. Listen, when is the last time you committed to something for 30 days? Something positive, actions towards the change you desire. When's the last time you committed wholeheartedly with everything you have for 30 days? Listen, 30 days isn't long at all. You know, when you get, and especially when you get older, you realize how fast time flies by. And you have a toddler, you realize how fast time flies by because your days become, I don't want to say monotonous, but you start to just do the same things. Your routines are set every single day. But committing to something for 30 straight days is different than committing to something for Monday through Friday. It's different than committing to something when you feel like it. It's different than committing to something when the weather's nice or when your body feels good or when you're motivated. Like, committing to something for 30 straight days, most people, I would say, never do, in my experience anyway. Even people that come in the gym will commit to coming in 5-6 days a week. But that seventh day, and I'm not saying you need to do that all the time, but like, if there's change you desire in your life, especially with health and fitness, commit like all in. Your fitness, your nutrition, your sleep, your stress management. You know, is it a lot? I don't know, kind of, maybe, sort of. What's the alternative? To just sit around and keep bitching that you're overweight and that your knees hurt and your back hurts and you can't lose weight even though you haven't really tried? 30 days. If you haven't started doing something, I challenge you to start today. 30 straight days. See what happens. Make good choices, y'all. I'll see you later. All right, folks, day 30 is complete. I gotta say, you know, I try not to get too caught up in the progress of these 75 days because, again, it's kind of wash, rinse, repeat as you go. But there's a good feeling when you get 30 days in. You know, I said it this morning. When's the last time you truly committed to something for 30 straight days? All in, no exceptions, no breaks, when you're tired, when it's cold, when it's hot. You know, today, again, it's February something, it was like 40, and I know that's not, you know, some of y'all do 75 hard, it's like negative, whatever, fuck that, I don't live there. I live in Texas where it's hot, and it was cold and dreary and rainy, and I had to get my second workout in. I almost didn't put the vest on. I was like, I'll give myself a break and just walk, no, put the fucking vest on. You know, it's really easy to let your mind start to convince yourself that it's okay to take shortcuts. And not that even that's a shortcut, but like, it's 75 hard. It's not 75 soft. It's not 75 weak ass bitches, I've said before. It's not 75 kind of, sort of. It's supposed to be 75 hard. And so when there's options, you choose the harder option. It's as simple as that. The decision making is simple. And that's the beauty of this program, is it takes a lot of the thinking out. You just choose the hard thing. If you have two options, choose the hard one. If you got 2 plates of food, choose the healthier one. Choose the one that you know is gonna help you even more reach your goals. It doesn't always have to taste great, but that's the beauty of this program, is you don't really have to think a whole lot. You just go on autopilot and then you execute. So we'll keep doing that for another 45 days. We'll see what happens. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices.